Okay guys, so here's some stuff that I got. I got this thing from the Carolina thrift store, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here's what I got from the store. I got this old classic dish remote that you're probably gonna see in the other video I'm upload. Why is it so hot in here? Hold on. Okay, that's much better. So, I found this EliteBook. HP. Okay, it needs a charger, but it has OEM Vista. I'm gonna put 7 on it, so it's like actually usable. It supports dock. Intel Core i5, just like my Optiplex. And holy crap, this thing is nice. SD card. He has an HDD in him. There's some stuff on it. I don't know if I should show that because it might be like private info, but you know what? I don't care. It's not going to be my main computer, but it's going to be my laptop, obviously. Got it for $6. Let me take this battery out. Oh, there's the battle. There we go. Chargeable. Who made this? Those baby spiders? Ew. No, it's just like stuff. Okay. Lock. I didn't say unlock, I said lock. Okay. There's the... Bruh. He's got DisplayPort DVI, I think, or something. He's got a DVD player. Let's go. Okay, yes, if he has DVD player, then he's bound to have a hard drive. I found this Midland thing in the thrift store, my first weather radio. It's NOAA. I don't know what to do with it, but it's like cool as hell. And yes, the clock is wrong, but extend the antenna like that.
Went through most of central North Carolina and will continue moving south tonight. High pressure will follow and build across and offshore the southern middle Atlantic through the remainder of the weekend.
What?
Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for the northwest Piedmont and foothills, including the Triad, Mount Airy, and surrounding areas. Tonight, partly cloudy.
Okay.
Lows in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour.
Okay.
Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour.
Alright.
Monday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour.
I hate the stupid text
in the afternoon.
they put on here.
Chance of rain 50%.
It smears.
Monday night, a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the upper 50s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%.
Alright. That is the most sickest thing I've ever seen in my life. That's awesome. Yeah, how do you lock this battery? What the what is that? The hell is that? What is that? Okay. There's stuff there. This must be the hard drive. You might look at that. I'm gonna clean this up. Just EliteBook. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to get the power adapter for this thing, but I'm gonna put 7 on it. Wait, what is this? What is this? But then there's this. Why is it so small? Okay, that's just crazy. Caps lock. Does it have a light for caps lock? No. I don't think. I don't know if this lights up. Probably not, and I don't care, because OEM Vista.